Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope your summer has been exciting and wonderful this year. It seems like 2021 is passing by really fast and fall is right around the corner. Fall is one of my favorite seasons and I'm really excited to share my first fall video of the year. I'll be showing you how to DIY easy, budget-friendly home decor. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go ahead and get started with these home decor DIYs for fall. For the first DIY, I'm going to make a custom tray for this season. I'm starting off with this wood wall decor that I found at Hobby Lobby for 75% off. I knew it was going to be perfect to place on the entryway table. Now I'm painting it all black and then I'll go and finish it with the Cricut machine to complete the look I'm going for. I started a new project on Cricut Design Space and I clicked images and typed thankful. Once I see the image that I like, I'm going to click insert images on the bottom right corner and size to how big I want it to be on the tray. Click make it and continue, then I press the arrow button on the Cricut machine followed by the cutting button to begin cutting this design. Once I have it cut, I'm going to add transfer tape on top of the vinyl to transfer it onto the tray. It's always so much fun to use this machine and a surprise going into the Cricut Design Space because there are so many things that you can make, such as custom cards, home decor, personalized clothing, and so much more. I really like to decorate with neutral colors, however this year I wanted to add a pop of color in my entryway and incorporate warm shades of orange and yellow. I'm really enjoying this space and this DIY tray turned out so good, you guys. It looks store-bought and it was really affordable. After painting the wheels on the pumpkin, I went to Cricut Design Space Images to search for a welcome design and I found a really cute one that says welcome to our patch. I'm using the weeder tool to take off the extra pieces from each letter and I like to leave my projects on the mat, that way I can add the transfer tape on them easier and faster. Now I'm using the scraper tool to make sure the transfer tape gets a hold of the vinyl when it's time to remove it to place on top of the pumpkin. I bought these pumpkins at Burlington. They were too pretty to pass up and I really like the blush pink color of them. The rustic white trim they had around the pumpkins just isn't my style, so I'm going over them with white paint. I recently bought this marble Lazy Susan and I wanted to use it in my kitchen to display a treat section. I'm going to create something fun for this area and it was quick to make. I thought it was perfect to make a custom label that says "Fall is sweet, please take a treat." Now that I like how everything looks, I'm going to highlight everything, then at the bottom hit weld followed by make it. Here's how the little treat section turned out. This corner looks so cute in the kitchen, and I made another label for the cupcakes that says baked with love. The glittered acorns definitely bring out fall vibes, and I also added a pumpkin arrangement in the back to bring out pops of color. The kitchen and entryway are the only places where I have pops of color for fall, and I'm really enjoying it. Since these silver leaves are in my kitchen, I wanted to make smaller ones on the Cricut machine to place in a pumpkin arrangement that I have on the kitchen nook table. I was playing around with adding leaves and a pumpkin for this custom label, but I ended up deleting them because I liked it plain instead. I'm going to place it on an acrylic tray and chose a white vinyl for the color. I'm really excited about this new product Cricut released that's called the Bright Pad Go. It illuminates every detail, therefore it's going to make it so much easier to weed, trace, paper piece, and more. I really appreciate that it's cordless to take it anywhere and not stay put in one place. It's lightweight, has a built-in battery for over 2 hours of crafting, 5 brightness settings, and non-slip to use at a desk or table. For the last DIY, I'm going to be making a front door decor sign. I've seen these in many stores and in different colors and words, but nothing in my style, therefore I wanted to make my own. I'm really excited to share this one with you guys because it was really easy to make and you can make it exactly as you want it to be. I started off by going to Lowe's and bought an 8-foot piece of plywood for $12. I didn't want my door sign that high, so I had it cut to 6 foot. If you buy plywood or wood from Lowe's, then they'll cut it for you for free. I started a new project, clicked on text, and picked out my font and wrote "Welcome to our." Then I'm going to click on the top where it says line space, hit the bottom arrow until the words are closer to each other. Then I'm going to click on the words and click ungroup, that way I can move the word "to" more to the right. Next, highlight the words and hit weld and resize to 12 inches. Now I'm going to type in the home letters one by one, making them 8 by 8 inches in size or as close as they can get to that measurement. For the letter O, I went with the fall wreath instead, and I love the way it turned out. We're a family of 4, so I added 4 pumpkins to the sign. I ended up using a glittered ribbon to give the store sign a little bit of glam. I used a glue stick to hold the ribbon in place and it's holding up very good. However, I would recommend a hot glue gun to make sure the ribbon is secure if you're going to place the door decor outside. This is how I'm going to place it outside with pumpkins around it. I love the way this DIY turned out and how it's taller than all of the other ones I've seen in store. This one is 6 foot high and definitely makes a statement. This concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed my first fall video of the year. Let me know in the comments what was your favorite DIY and what you would like to see from me next. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you to Cricut for sponsoring this video. I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Take care.